Did you miss me? I hope not. But here I am again with a little math lesson for you. Now, for your math warm up today, you were thinking about which number was bigger. And you were probably like, Ashley, this is like first grade stuff. Why are we doing this in second grade? Well, I just wanted to get your brains warmed up to thinking about it. And then I hope you enjoyed that video and song. Lucia knows I love number rock for math songs, so don't worry, we'll be doing lots of different math songs throughout the year. Today, I want to remind you how we can use symbols to show which numbers are bigger. So in the video, it was talking about greater than, less than, equal to. So let's say I have the number 68 and 41. Now, many of you are looking at this and saying, Ashley, I already know which number is bigger. And hopefully you're looking at the tens place and noticing that 6 tens is more than 4 tens. And you also know if you had $68, that's more than $41. But how do we as mathematicians show which number is bigger with a symbol? In the video, it kind of showed you a couple different symbols. And I'm sure in first grade or kindergarten, you learned that these symbols can kind of be like mouths. So in second grade, you can either decide that yours is like an alligator mouth, or I like to sometimes think of it as like a little Pac-Man guy. And I like to use the mouth example because it helps me imagine which way the symbol is going. We're going to imagine that the alligator and the Pac-Man want to eat the bigger number. So in between 68 and 41, which one would they want to eat? That's right, 68. So I'm going to make sure the mouth of my symbol is open towards the 68. Okay, so I'm going to start up here and make sure it's a wide open mouth, eating the 68. And if it helps you, you can either draw a little Pac-Man or teeth to remind you that it's eating this one. Does that sound good? Now, let's try another one. What if I had these two numbers? 114, 141. Can you guess which one's bigger? Let's try and see which one is bigger. I see they both have 100. So I have to go to the next place value, which is the tens place. Now this one has a 1 in the tens place, and this one has a 4 in the tens place. Ooh, I know 4 is bigger than 1. So this is the bigger number. Now in second grade, we don't want to just circle the bigger number. We actually want to use the symbols. So remember, the mouth opens up to the biggest number. So I'm going to have the mouth open up to the bigger number. And you can either draw a Pac-Man or teeth to help you remember that it's going to be eating the bigger number. Now, let me just make one quick change to this number. What if I had 141 and 141? These two numbers are, they're the same. They're equal. What symbol would I use? Josie? Josie, did you say an equal sign? If you didn't, that's okay, but you probably did. So we're going to use an equal sign to show that these two numbers are the same. Mathematicians, this is something we're going to be practicing today and tomorrow and throughout the week.